Wow. So, this is our closet door or our bedroom door. We're going to need to sand it a little bit, just a little bit of filler in a couple of places. But it's poplar and pine. And I'm going to tell you, this door is heavy. It ain't no joke. And this will be definitely a lot better door than if we had bought the masonite doors, you know, that they basically sell these days at Home Depot that are hollow core. The problem with the hollow core doors, of course, is you have to be very, very careful with them if you end up putting door stops, because basically it's like a press board, almost a cardboard with a press board frame around it, and it's hollow. And if you end up using the door stops that are up high, that are not hitting into where it's solid at the top, which is only about 3/4 of an inch, it will poke right through it. It's one of those things that now they're about $100 for a door that's really crap. Now, lumber-wise, I probably spent about $100 in materials buying the 5/4 wood, but that door right there will last for a long time. If you've seen the front door at the red brick house, that was reclaimed wood that I found, wood that was in the cellar that had been there for who knows how long, that I used to make that front door. And I made that door 7 years ago, and it's been in the elements for that 7 years, and it's holding up, and I dare say it'll be there a long, long time. So one of the other things I'm doing here for the red brick house, I'm debating on whether or not I want to go down today or this afternoon, or just wait till tomorrow. The red brick house is truly something I really truly enjoy, and with us having people coming over next Sunday, you know, I want to get as much done as possible. One of the things I want to do is this piece right here. So what we did is, this is a piece of the wood from the house, and had Michael set up on the Inventables the carving of the house. Now I've got to paint that out. I'm going to round this over, make this kind of curved, make it have a little handle here on the end, and I'll fill in the nail holes, but then we'll epoxy resin on top of this, and this will be a charcuterie board. So follow along here while we go ahead and put this thing together. This is one of those things that'll be nice to have at the house. You know, we decide to do some cheese and crackers and serve it. This will be the perfect thing to serve on.